11.2 exercise, question number 5. PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height given. And QN is height given. Two heights are given, QM and QN. SR is given 12 centimeters and QM is given 7.6 centimeters. If you see this, SR is a base and QM is the height. Okay. This SR is the base, that is your base, and this is your height. Okay. Base and height is given. So first of all, we'll use the formula area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. That is, base is equal to how much? 12 and height 7.6 is given. So area of the parallelogram, the formula will be base into height. Okay. Write down the formula and given SR 12 and QM 7.6. When you will multiply SR with QM, you will be getting the area of the parallelogram. So multiply the value and tell me the answer. What will be the value you will be getting? Yes, Astha, that's right. What will be the area of parallelogram? Ananya Jain. Give me the answer in the chat box. 91.2 centimeters square, Jia. You have to put a square. 91.2 centimeters square, that's right. Okay, area of the parallelogram is 91.2 centimeters square. Yes, Avika, yeah, right answer. Again, we have to find out the next height. So again, we'll be using the same formula. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. That is, area we have already found it out, 91.2. PS is the base. In the B part, PS is given 8 centimeters. In B part, PS is given 8 centimeters and height we have to find it out. So we'll be writing area below the area, PS 8 and QN will be the height. So divide 91.2 with 8. Yes, you have to divide it. 91.2 will be divided by 8, then only you will be getting QN. Solve it and tell me. Yes, 11.4, right answer. Lakshya Chandra, Astha. That's right. Naitik, Lakshya Chandra, Kanishka. Camera क्यों off है बेटा? Open it. 11.4 centimeter is the correct answer. Yashika, Avika, right answer. Atharv, Kanishka, Yugesh. Open your camera beta. I am removing you from the class. You are not opening your camera. Okay. Removed. Removed. Whose cameras are off, I have already removed them. Anupriya, open your camera and remove your hand from the camera. QN is equal to 11.4 centimeters. Clear, children? Unmuted Tatik. Dhyan, read the next question number 6.
DL and BM are the heights on sides AB and AD, respectively, of parallelogram ABCD. Figure 11.24.
24.
If the area of the parallelogram is 1470 centimeters square, AB equals 35 centimeters and AD equals 49 centimeters. Find the length of BM and DL.
Okay. So in this question, DL and BM both are the heights.
Yes.
So these are the heights. DL and BM are heights given, and AB is given 35. AB is given how much? 30.
35.
35. This is given 35, and AD is given how much? 49
centimeters.
49 centimeters. And the area is given of a parallelogram. If we
Yes.
have to find out the height, base is given, area is given, we have to find out the height. So we can transpose the value and find out the height also.
Yes.
Let's start searching it. Area of the parallelogram will be 1470. So area of the parallelogram is given 1470 centimeter square. AB is 35, AD is 49, which is given. Now to find out the area of a parallelogram, we'll keep this value 1470 is equal to AB into DL. Base is AB and DL is the height. Yes, 1470 when divided by 35, you are getting 42. Right answer, Lakshya Chandra. 42 centimeter is your DL, that is your height. And in the B part, base is again given 49. We have to find out the height. So again, we will be dividing 1470 by 49. We will be getting 30 centimeter. So BM is 30 and DL is 42. Yes, right, Anshika, Anupriya, that's right answer. 30 centimeter is the correct answer. Right, yes, Shika. Clear, children? Jessica, read next.
Triangle ABC is right angled at A, figure 11.25. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB is equals to 5 centimeter, BC is equals to 13 centimeter, and AC is equals to 12 centimeter, find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD.
So what is the formula of area of a triangle ABC? Area of a triangle, the formula is? What is the formula of area of a triangle? Dhyan, open your camera. Jessica, tell me what is the formula of area of a triangle? Yes, Avika?
Ma'am, base into height, half into base into height.
Half into base into height, that's right. Area of a triangle is half into base into height, and area of a parallelogram is base into height. Okay? So half into base into height, area of a triangle. Here, it is a right angle triangle. That means angle A is 90 degrees. So triangle ABC, area of a triangle ABC will be half into base into height. Here the base we are taking is 5 centimeters. We are taking the base as 5 centimeters and height as 12 centimeters. Okay, we are taking because it is a right angle triangle. So if A is the 90 degree angle, So base will be AB and height will be AC. So half into base into height. Okay. So base will be AB and height will be 12. So multiply the value with half. How much you will be getting? 30 centimeter square, right? Lakshya Chandra, Jessica, right answer. Sajal Singh, right answer. Half into base into height. When you are multiplying this value, 2 6 are 12, 5 6 are 30. 30 centimeter square. Right answer, Nupriya, Astha. That's correct. Yashika, Vika, Kia, right. Netik. That's correct answer. 30 centimeter square is the right answer. Again, we'll find out the area of a triangle ABC. Here we have to find out the AD as height. We'll find out the AD as height here. So area of a triangle ABC will be half into base into height. Formula will be the same. Area we have already find it out. Area we have already find it out, 30 centimeter square. So instead of area, we'll be writing 30 half into base is given 13 centimeters and height we'll divide it 30 1 by 2 when shifted this side will become 2 by 1. Okay, fractions will get reciprocal when they are transposed. Keep it in your mind. So when you are transposing any fraction, it will get reciprocal. 1 by 2 will change into 2 by 1. Multiply, divided by, and multiply 13 is given here. So we'll divide it by 13. 32 is 60 divided by 13. 4.6 centimeter is the right answer. Sixty upon 13, that is also correct. 60 upon 13, Jessica, you are getting. That is also correct answer. 60 upon 13 or 4.6, both are right. Yes, Astha.
Ma'am, I want to give a next question answer.
Okay, just read the question.
Okay, ma'am. Angle ABC is isosceles with AB is equals to AC is equal to 7.5 centimeter and BC is equal to 9 centimeter, figure 11.26. The height AD from A to BC is 6 centimeter. Find the area of angle ABC. What will be the height from C to AB? Example CE.
It's not example, beta. I dot E dot means that is. The full form
Okay,
of
ma'am.
I dot E dot is that is. Okay. That is CE.
Okay, ma'am.
C to AB is CE. So here it is an isosceles triangle. So in an
Yes, ma'am.
isosceles triangle, two sides are always equal and one side is unequal. That is 7.5 centimeter is already given. Two sides
Yes, ma'am.
and base is given 9. One height is given 6 centimeter. We have to find out the another height, that is CE. And it is a 90-degree angle already given over there. Yes, Jessica, it's up to you. Next. So how we'll do it? What will
Ma'am,
the
first,
formula we'll be using?
ma'am, half into base into height.
Formula of a
Ma'am, formula of a ma'am, formula of
area of a triangle.
yes, ma'am.
Area of a triangle formula is half into base into height. That is ठीक है अभी का. So half into base into height will be using the formula, and 9 and 6 base and 6 height will be taking. So what you will be getting after solving this?
Ma'am, 27 centimeter square.
That's right. 27 centimeter square is the right answer. Absolutely right. When you are multiplying half into 9 multiplied by 6, you are getting 27 centimeters square. That's right. Now what we are going to do? To
Ma'am,
find
area
out
of angle
area of
can I start?
uh,
Ma'am, area of angle ABC is equals to half x, half into base into height.
height. Half
Ma'am,
into
then
base into height, right?
yes, ma'am. And ma'am, then 27 is equals to half into ABC into CE.
AB multiply
27.
CE. AB
Yes, ma'am.
multiply CE. Right.
Yes. 27 is equals to half multiply 7.5 multiply CE.
Hmm.
Bracket 27 multiply 2 bracket close. And ma'am, 7.5 into 27 uh, 7.5 is equals to CE. CE is equals to 54 by 7.5, and ma'am CE is equals to 7.2 centimeter.
Okay, that's right. 727 to the 54. 54 when divided by 7.5, you are getting 7.
7.2 centimeter.
That's right. Absolutely correct.